In Sulapur village, a man, Chandu, sold motichur laddus. His sweets were famous all over the village. People would buy them for weddings, temple offerings, and everyone, from children to old people, loved his laddus. Chandu's motichur laddus were very tasty and very special. Customers would enjoy them at his cart, and some would get them packed to take home.
Hey Chandu brother, pack me half a kilo of laddus.
Bhai Sahib, even I want 1 kilo laddus.
Yes sister, I'll give you right away.
Chandu picked up boxes and carefully packed half a kilo for Hariya and 1 kilo for the lady. Just then, his son Suraj arrives and he says to his father,
Father, mother has cooked food. Please come home and eat. Son, today I'll be late. Look at the long line of customers here. Let me attend them first. No problem, father. I'll help and give laddus to the customers. These won't be enough. More laddus have to be made. No problem, father. Then I'll make some. No, son. You won't manage. You have never done this work before.
Suraj took some mixture from the big pot and quickly shaped 3-4 laddus. He showed them to his father.
Father, I am a sweet maker's son. I should at least know this much. You are right. Okay, let me go home, eat and come back.
Chandu felt very proud of his son's smartness and responsibility. He went home for lunch. Suraj gave laddus to customers, weighed properly, and after they left, he prepared fresh laddus from the mixture. In a short while, Suraj had made all the laddus. 2 hours later, Chandu returned back. Suraj to Chandu,
Father, I sold laddus to everyone, collected the money and kept it in the box. Now I'll go home. I need to study. Okay, son. Take this money and buy something for yourself. Father, shall I buy a pen with it? Go ahead, son.
Suraj was the only child of Chandu and his wife Janki. They loved him more than their own life. Everything was going well. Until one day, there was a loud knock at their door. Suraj, son, see who is knocking the door for so long.
Yes, coming.
When Suraj opened the door, he saw their neighbor Raghav standing there. Suraj to Raghav,
Oh, Raghav uncle. Why do you look so worried? What happened? Suraj, I came to tell you your father got hurt while working. Hot oil spilled on his hands. Few people have taken him to city hospital. Let's leave. What? Mother, quick, let's go.
Oh God, don't know in what condition he must be. Janki started crying and 3 of them rushed to the hospital. Doctors were checking Chandu. One doctor came and told them,
Because of the hot oil, the skin of his hand is badly burnt. The wounds are deep. It will take nearly 2 months to heal. You need to take all the precautions.
Saying this, doctor left. Suraj then asked his father,
Father, how did this happen? I don't know, son. While working, my hand touched the hot pan and all the oil spilled on me. I didn't even realize how it happened.
You please rest now. The next day, doctor allowed Chandu to go home. But the hospital bill was so high that Suraj had to break open their savings box and then he paid the bill.
Janki, what will we do now? All our hard-earned savings went into my treatment.
Just then, Suraj came and said,
Father, you just rest. Don't worry about anything. You taught me how to make laddus, right? From tomorrow, I will handle the stall. You just relax. Let me handle everything.
The next day, Suraj set up the sweet cart in the market. Now all the responsibilities of the house were on his shoulders. Suraj made laddus as delicious as his father. One man came up to him.
Is this the cart of Chandu, the laddu seller? Yes, sir. He's my father, but he's not well, so I'm managing the cart for a few days. Oh, Sethi had given an order of 30 kilos of laddus for the Ram Temple festival. Chandu Bhaiya already knows about it. Don't worry, sir. You will get the order on time. The laddus should reach the temple by 9 a.m. in the morning. Here, take 2000 rupees in advance. You will get the rest with the full payment at the temple. Is that okay? Sure, sir.
Suraj happily took the advance and returned home. He showed his mother.
Mom, we got a big order today, worth at least 7 to 8,000 rupees. They even gave me 2000 rupees in advance. Keep this with you, Mom.
Alright, son, but how many laddus do we need to make?
Mother, tomorrow we have to make 30 kilos of laddus and deliver on time. Son, will you be able to complete such a big order? That's why I was worried. How would you do this? Father, if I start in the early morning, I'll finish by 9 a.m.
You please don't worry. I will help him in making the laddus. Next morning, Suraj woke up early. Together with Janki, he made 30 kilos of laddu. After packing them properly, he then puts all the laddus in an auto and went to the temple. There, the priest was preparing for the morning aarti, while Sethi and Sethani were already talking to him. Suraj says,
Sethi, here is your order of fresh motichur laddus. You had asked me to bring them on time and I have brought them.
Saying this, Suraj handed him one box. The aroma of the laddu spread everywhere. Sethi says,
Wow, the laddus smell amazing. Pandit ji, please offer these first to Lord Ram as prasad.
Priest offered the laddus to God and performed the aarti. Everyone joined the prayers. After the rituals, the prasad was distributed to all. People were very happy after eating them. Sethi to Suraj,
Son, here is your full payment of 7,000 rupees. Your laddus were absolutely delicious. And here, take these extra 2,000 rupees as a gift from us. Thank you, Sethi.
Filled with joy, Suraj returned home and shared the good news with his parents. Both of them became very happy. Soon, Chandu's health recovered and he started working at the stall back again. After Suraj finished his studies, he also joined his father. Together, father and son opened a big sweet shop in the Sulapur village. Life changed for the family and happiness returned to their home. This story teaches us that if you keep working hard, success will surely come your way.